Now, this might sound kind of difficult to believe, but I've got a bill here from Google to my Gmail account, and this is a personal Gmail account. They are suggesting that I ran up a bill of $15,000 in one day, as far as I can tell. Now, I do use occasionally. See, here it is. Thank you for reaching out. Please be informed the email notification you received is unrelated to our ongoing billing adjustment request. I basically put in a request saying to these people, look, Gemini wrote that script. We didn't even write it. We don't even know what it does. They took all of the money that was in my personal account. That's actually Google One. That's not my. Then they said, well, let's go back a little bit further than this, if we can. I think they might have actually gotten rid of the original email. As you can see here, the payment's been declined for my Google One subscription because I don't have any money now at all. But if I just try and scroll down a bit here further, so let's just try doing API. It's mostly just secure unrestricted API keys immediately. Now, I don't know what they're trying to suggest with this. We've detected that we're using unrestricted API keys with your Google Maps platform. Well, I don't even know what that actually... I mean, we don't actually use Google Maps as an API for anything. So they're trying to suggest that someone else has got hold of... Oh dear, that didn't go well. I have to cover that bit up now. That somehow someone else has got hold of our API and has run up a bill for $15,000 US, which is approximately about half the money I make in an entire year. And so I opened the case with them, and basically they just disappeared. Your billing account has been terminated, it says. Whatever that means. So then they said, I opened up this car saying, we have the capability to pay. This is ridiculous. We don't even know what the billing's for. And they keep sending me these messages saying, oh, we're looking into it. You know, and I'm saying, well, we've got bailiffs saying they're going to come and steal everything. But they keep saying, oh, we're going to come back to you, we're going to come back to you. But of course, they're just stalling so they can send these bailiffs round. Now, according to all of this, these people have opened some sort of case. But this was in the 2nd of February. We're now on the 15th of May. They said they'd come back with a decision in 24 hours. That was 3 months ago. Now what we're getting are these people saying, where are we? Hello, Mohammed. Past due balances. Balance due reminder. So, I've told these people we're not paying it. This is a scam. We didn't write any of this stuff. Immediate action is required. The American Bureau of Collections, an authorised collections agency, of payment past due of 14,000. So it's changed. So for some reason, $14,144.04 to Google Cloud TH. So they're pretending they never had a case open. I mean, they're just criminals. Now, I know when a company gets big, like in the old days or something like BT, you'd sort of say, oh, one part of it doesn't know what the rest of it is doing. But these guys are integrated. You know, they've got data centers everywhere. They've got no excuse for this. This whole thing is a lie. The whole of this Google TH thing is a criminal enterprise. They used Gemini to write some sort of program that used one of our APIs to do some sort of query that we've never even seen a cent or a penny of advantage from. And now they've handed it over to some American thugs who will go into partnership with some British thugs who will come around here with hammers and smash doors down and steal everything. And this is supposed to be business. You know, if there's one thing I'd say to these people, screw Google. You know, of all the things we did, we as a country, we supported the bringing in these people as our main decoder of information. You know, a company started by people who aren't of our religion, aren't of our country, and look at what they've done to us. They're starting to destroy every small business. This isn't an accident. These people are animals. So, in the next few days, I mean, I'm, as you can probably see, trying to find some social housing at the moment. And very soon this company will be gone because they'll come in and steal everything, claim it's worth nothing, and then bankrupt me for probably $13,000. And then I'll be on the streets, having spent years of my life, decades of my life, promoting these people who've just turned out to be filth. So my personal advice is to stay as far away from Google as you possibly can. Never ever ever use their API. Never ever ever use their AI. They're just tools for the destruction of everyone in their way. They're tools to make sure that the only companies that remain on planet Earth are massive American shareholder companies. Because those are the only people left on Earth that matter. People who own shares in massive American companies.